Everyone, welcome back to my 2-minute talk session. So today's topic is beta of stock market. So every stock has a beta value, but what does this beta value denotes? Beta value is basically telling you about the volatility of that stock. It tells you about the fluctuation level in comparison to the market. See, for example, if beta value is greater than 1, then that is indicating that your stock is outperforming the market. For example, if the market is bullish and is increasing by 1%, then your stock will increase by more than 1%. Whereas if the market is bearish and has gone down by 1%, then your stock will fluctuate more and will go down by more than 1%. Such kind of stocks are called as aggressive stocks because they come up with high risk and hence have high reward. Second case is when beta value is less than 1%, then this shows that your stock is not that volatile. If the market goes down by 1%, then your stock will not fluctuate that much, right? So such kinds of stock are preferred by those investors which do not want to take high risk. Third case is when beta is equal to 1, which means that the stock and the market are moving in same direction. They are moving in hand, right? Fourth is when beta is equal to 0, which means that there is no correlation between beta and market.